Hold up, don't panic. You still haven't filed your taxes? Hey there, folks. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Financial Destiny Now, Credit and Tax Services. Let's talk about something we all love, taxes. Yeah, I said it, taxes. Just the word can make you want to run and hide. You start sweating, your heart races, and you might even break out in hives. Am I right? Listen, I get it. Taxes can be confusing and intimidating. But you know what? It doesn't have to be that way. We're going to break this thing down together step by step and make this tax season a breeze.
First things first, let's talk about why we put off doing our taxes. It's a universal struggle and it affects more people than you might think. We're all guilty of it. Procrastination is a common human trait, especially when it comes to something as daunting as taxes. It's like that pile of laundry that keeps growing. We know we gotta deal with it, but we just keep finding other things to do. It's easier to push it aside and focus on more enjoyable tasks. Maybe you're afraid you'll owe money. The fear of an unexpected bill can be paralyzing. Maybe you just don't understand all the forms and jargon. The complexity of tax documents can be incredibly intimidating. Or maybe you're just plain old lazy. Sometimes it's just easier to relax and put it off for another day. Whatever your reason, you're not alone. The struggle is real for many. Millions of Americans procrastinate on their taxes every year. It's a widespread issue that affects people from all walks of life. In fact, the IRS says that over 20 million people file their taxes late. That's a staggering number. That's a whole lot of folks. It's clear that tax procrastination is a common problem.
Yeah, I always feel like I'm drowning in paperwork. It's just so overwhelming. The sheer volume of documents can be daunting.
Man, I hear you. It's like every year the forms get more complicated. I keep putting it off because I don't even know where to start. The instructions are confusing and it's hard to know which forms to fill out. It's like a foreign language. The terminology and numbers can be so perplexing that it feels impossible to make sense of it all. Now let's get real for a minute. Tax time can be stressful. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. After eating a whole bag of hot peppers, you're digging through receipts, trying to decipher tax codes, and wondering if you'll ever see your refund. And let's not forget about the fear of getting audited. But hold on, don't lose hope. There are ways to make this process less painful. Trust me, I've been there. The first step is to acknowledge that it's okay to feel overwhelmed. Don't beat yourself up about it. We're all just trying to figure this thing out. Honestly, it's such a relief to hear that. I always felt like I was the only one struggling with this. Yeah, exactly. Knowing we're not alone makes it a bit easier to handle. There are so many tools and resources available now. From online tutorials to tax preparation software, you don't have to do it all by yourself. And if things get too complicated, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Remember, the goal is to make the process as smooth as possible. So take a deep breath, get organized, and tackle those taxes with confidence. Financial Destiny, now Credit and Tax Services, can assist you with your income tax needs and filings.
Tick-tock, time's ticking, deadlines and extensions. All right, let's talk deadlines. The big one, the one everyone knows, is April 15th. But did you know there are other deadlines too?
If you need more time to file, you can usually get an extension until October 15th. That's right, 6 extra months to get your act together. And listen up, if you've been affected by a natural disaster, like a hurricane or earthquake, you might qualify for even more time to file.
So don't stress. The IRS understands that life happens. The key is to be aware of the deadlines and plan accordingly. Don't wait until the last minute to scramble and stress yourself out. Let's get organized. Tax filing made easy. Filing taxes can seem like a daunting task, but with a little organization, it can be a breeze. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. The key to a smooth tax filing experience is preparation. How do we actually file these darn taxes? It's a step-by-step process that anyone can follow with the right guidance. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it seems. With the right approach, we can file your taxes confidently and accurately.
First things first, gather your documents. This is the foundation of your tax filing process. This includes your W-2s, 1099s, and any other forms that show your income. Make sure you have everything you need before you call, come in, or upload to our secure servers. You'll also need your social security number, driver's license, child dependent information, if applicable, and any receipts for deductible expenses. These are crucial for ensuring you get the most out of your tax return. Once you have everything together, call or go online at financialdestinynow.org to schedule your appointment.
It's that easy. And if you're still feeling lost, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Professional advice can be invaluable, especially if you have a complex tax situation. Help is always within reach. And here at Financial Destiny Now, Credit and Tax Services, we love to see our clients' happy faces and positive income tax experiences. Financial Destiny Now, your partner in conquering tax season. And hey, if you're still feeling stuck, don't worry, we got you covered. Financial Destiny Now. Credit and Tax Services is here to help you every step of the way.
Our team of experienced tax professionals can answer your questions, help you gather your documents, and even file your taxes for you. We're dedicated to making tax time as stress-free as possible for you, working to get you the results you need. So don't wait another minute. Contact Financial Destiny Now today and let us help you take control of your taxes.
Remember, together, we can make this tax season a slam dunk. Here's to your Financial Destiny Now. We appreciate your business.